So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a neon skull for Halloween 2019. First step, you should do your eye makeup. So this is just a general easy blend of pink and black. Next, we are going to mark out the bone structure of the skull on both sides. And today I'll be using the Primark Fright Club Ghost Foundation. So we're just going to start from here. Curve and kind of bring it to your earlobe. So the little bit of your ear here. So I've marked out the neon skull we're gonna do. So now we're gonna start blending, and you just kind of go through it in a little bit of a motion. Don't go out of it too much. It's just, this is gonna give us that little shading that we need. So my favorite aspects of Halloween is the party, the turn-ups. The other thing that makes it fun is that you can go as like so many different characters. I don't really have a specific one that I like, but obviously I'm doing a neon skull, so that's probably what I'm definitely gonna go for at a party as well. Now that we've blended it, we're gonna start marking out the teeth. So we're gonna draw little lines on the side and the corners of our lips, just to give us a guideline for when you draw the teeth. So I'm just gonna take this little bit here and just mark it. Now, with drawing the teeth, you want to make it look like a teardrop, and you want to use the tip of the brush. Now, if you got like massive lips like mine, you're gonna have to really spread them. So now, to give us that neon glow, we're gonna use the Primark Pink Metallic Pigment. So you dip it in a little bit, not too much. Kind of dust off the fallout as well. I suggest you start from the bone structure first before you hit the teeth. I just think that will help you in terms of just lining it out and making sure that things are done bit by bit. So now that I've done the neon pigment on the teeth, we're gonna go in and fill in these sides of the skeleton skull, just for us to get that depth and kind of look that comes with a skeleton. So for this, we are going to use the Fright Club face paint in the color black, and it's in a pen. So now we're just gonna fill in the black, and you just kind of make a line like that, so that you have your bit where you start. If you don't make an ugly face while you're doing it wrong. So make sure that you filled the tooth in, and then you've also kind of gone around the edges as well to make it more defined and to give the teeth more depth. The next stage now is just to shade in between the triangles, just to give it a bit more depth and dimension again. And we're going to use the Primark Storm palette, and we're going to use the black eyeshadow in there. Make sure the pink is still in the middle, just for the shape of that too. So you just got to carefully just shade it like that. Shade it downwards. So it should be darker at the top, and then as you're coming down, you shade. So now for our last step, we're gonna go back to the Ghost Foundation, and we're gonna take a very small brush just to outline the structure of the skull. So basically only the pink bits that are showing, just to add that a little bit of detail and to really make the pink pop a little bit more and to give us that neon glow. So let's begin. So this is the finished look. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys can have fun at Halloween with this lovely look. Don't forget to scare people. Thanks.